Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 RAV4 all-wheel drive SE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, and the beautiful color is called Ruby Flare Pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features do include your front fog lamps. You also have your fully automatic headlights and your automatic high beams. You also have your rear cross traffic alert and a ton of other safety features. But why don't we hop on in and take a look around? Helping you into your RAV is this handy dandy Toyota Smart Key. So you do have your lock, your unlock, your power liftgate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once unlocks the front doors, and pushing it twice unlocks all 4. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be great for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And I did mention that this is a smart key, so we're going to lock this back up. And I'm going to show you, because it's a proximity key, I'm going to put this in my pocket. We're not going to need it again. I'm just going to place my hand on the handle, and there it goes. Opens up nice and easy for you. You don't even need your keys. So lots of room to get in and out. Nice and spacious. You do have some storage here on the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel. And I wanted to mention a few other things on the left here. You do have your lane departure warning there. You have your heated steering wheel, which is going to be nice. You also have your power lift gate, and then you have some other lighting options there for you as well. So moving a bit further in, you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And then you have this great power adjustable driver's seat with your lumbar support as well. And then moving in, you can see you have this gorgeous Softex interior with that red stitching. And then moving a bit further up, you do have that beautiful your sunroof, your power tilt and slide sunroof. So that's going to be great for those summer days. And I'm just going to start this up here. Now, once again, my key is in my pocket because it's a smart key. We have the smart start technology, that push start. Taking a look, you have a gorgeous display. And then moving a bit further back, again, you have your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, and you have all of the functions that you're going to want on your steering wheel. You have your music selection buttons and your volume control. You also have your hands-free calling there, and your mode changer and your voice command. Now, this here is for your center information screen. Now, this is going to give you all of your options to set your lane departure alert. You have your forward collision alert and your pedestrian detection, and then you have your side blind zone alert, everything like that. So that's all part of your Toyota Safety Sense. And then moving a little bit further down here, you also have your dynamic radar cruise control. So that's going to be able to set the distance to the vehicle ahead of you and maintain that distance safely. So right under here is your cruise control. That's going to be working in combination with your dynamic radar cruise control. And then taking a look at the entertainment now, you do have everything you're going to want. You have your AM/FM radio, you have your USB and your audio input, you have your Bluetooth audio, which is going to give you your hands-free calling as well. And then you have your Sirius XM, which you can hook up as well. Now, taking a look at your applications, you do have your navigation. Now, this is a really easy system to learn. Oh, it doesn't want to read my finger. There we go. Really easy system to learn. So come on in, plug in your home address or any other address and see just how user-friendly it is. Moving a little bit further down from there, you have your dual zone climate control, so you can set them at different temperatures. And then moving a bit further down from there, for those cold winter months, you do have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You also have your windshield wiper defrost. That's going to be great for those winter months as well. And then you have your USB and your audio input and your 12-volt DC plug-in should you want to charge any other devices. And then just to the left here is your eco mode and your sport mode. So you have 2 different driving modes. That's going to be really fun as well. So you have a little bit of storage down there. You have a couple of cup holders. Once again, you do have that sport mode. Super, super fun to drive that way. And then right back here, you have a double-decker center console. So that's going to give you a lot of really great room for some smaller items that you want to carry around. And then this doubles as an armrest, which is going to be nice for those long trips. Once again, you have your all-weather floor mats throughout the entire vehicle. And then you have all of the manuals that you're going to need, a nice big glove compartment for any other items that you want to carry with you. So lots of really great things happening in the front of the RAV4. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your RAV now, there's a lot going on back here as well. You do have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear vision camera just here. This is gonna make it easier for you to back out of that busy parking lot or even just out of your own driveway. You're gonna have eyes in the back of your head, so that's gonna make your neighborhood much, much safer. And you do have a power lift gate, so we're just gonna push this button here. We're gonna open this up for you and we'll take a look at the amount of cargo space that you have in your RAV4. Now, this is one of the things that people love about this SUV is the amount of cargo space. Now, right under here is the spare tire with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need. So, you know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have that spare tire to get you back to safety. You also have the added advantage of a cargo cover. So when you're doing those big shopping trips, you can pull that closed and give your cargo a bit of privacy. So lots going on back here, tons and tons of cargo space, and you can either use your fob to close your power door, or you can use this button right up here. We're gonna close this up for you and give you a nice view of the back of your RAV4. We'll finish up by giving you a final look of the 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive SE, and there's a lot happening that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits in with you and your family's lifestyle. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until we see you, drive safe.